Hey, in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining mechanisms in Creo and how you can test your assemblies and the mechanisms that are involved in it. I'm just going to use the hinge as an example. I'm just going to create a new assembly though, just for testing purposes. I'm not going to save this file, I'm just using it because I already have an assembly created. I'm going to assemble my hinge as we've done before. Left first, I'm going to make this default. Okay, where's my symmetric? Okay, this time though differently. I'm going to place my pin as my second part. Constrain my pin. Okay, and then there we go. Fully constrained. Good. Okay, this is where it differs slightly as well. We're going to place my right hinge. Place it there. I'm going to set the user-defined to pin. Okay? And now I'll go ahead and constrain it. Okay, so now we're not fully constrained. That's good. That's what we want. We're connection definition complete. Good. Click check. That's exactly what we want. Now at this point, we can use the drag components. I can select the parts and I can test my mechanisms. So you could use this. It could be a wheel, an axle, it could be gears. You can test your mechanisms and make sure they work correctly. Only if they're not fully constrained. And that's it for this tutorial.